Welcome back to Sartorial Styles. Today I'm gonna show you 5 looks I put together, including the Burgundy Quarter Zip made of Australian merino wool I got from Spier Mackay. The unboxing is also linked in the description. Let's get started. Before we actually start, let me tell you that you won't see me wearing a quarter zip on top of a turtleneck or something like this today. But here you see me wearing a quarter zip on top of a grey flannel shirt. I also opted for a necktie, which is made by a brand called Gilberto and features a very busy pattern to break up all the solid elements. The pocket square picks up the yellow color from the necktie. The brown suit is made of a Botoli tweed fabric by Oliver Wicks. My footwear of choice is brown combat boots from Shoe Passion. With this outfit, as with almost every other look I'm gonna show you today, I could also wear an overcoat, gloves, a hat and a scarf that I didn't find in time to film this footage. For the second outfit, I got rid of the busy necktie and replaced it with a solid brown grenadine silk tie made by Poshetka. I also swapped the suit for a less formal alternative, in this case my favorite sports jacket from Spier Mackay and brown high-rise trousers from Colaro. The pocket square is brown as well, and just like that we got rid of almost all color. Concerning footwear, I would probably opt for my suede Chelsea boots with this outfit, but I don't have them at my apartment at the moment. Jodhpur boots do the job as well. For this look, I basically wear the menswear uniform with the quarter zip weaved in. The blue jacket is part of a suit from Suit Supply, the grey pants are part of a suit from Oliver Wicks. I went for a solid white shirt to give the necktie with the Prince of Wales pattern the space it needs. A plain white linen pocket square provides more texture than silk would and fits better with the knitwear. Linen accessories can work very well during the colder months, in my opinion. So far, every look featured a necktie and a jacket that I put on top of the quarter zip. For me personally, that's how I enjoy wearing this piece the most. But of course, knitwear can also be worn without a jacket on top. These denim pants, where we quickly made some turn-ups ourselves because they were too long, go great with a pair of boots, a shirt with an open collar and the quarter zip on top. But that's boring, so let's wear a jacket again. By the way, for a moment I thought about combining the quarter zip with evening wear, but I'm very much certain that would have enraged quite a few of you. Let's stick to the autumn and winter vibe we were going for so far by wearing the denim pants together with a brown safari jacket. This look would also work very well with this rain protective field jacket, if it wouldn't be that tight. I can't really close it actually. The blue and grey necktie is made by Poshetka, as is the brown safari jacket from just a moment ago. I personally love to incorporate any type of knitwear into my looks. Turtlenecks, cardigans and quarter zips provide warmth and an interesting additional layer that can add color and texture to your ensemble. Thanks for watching, have a great weekend!